Mamen tunin ka Messi fans bit uti Messi fans bit ho isu toben isu tunau alem chengna zamta umani tazami head introduction ngailo society na manipur ama ko ma chudo khat kanai no menna chu ama no khat mi pi buina kha jong hen tidan chu ibuina hi kon midang fans tango buina khat chu itu ipiti aman itu reply ham jitla itu mi clarify bola itu mi headset ham tikatu dongnya
come forward please you pala line va dia na line no yang ki kap yo na la le to ai pha ni man pe do hi pha no hi limited ai tan na to a chu ki se ho hi regulating ul na mer chi di wa thu ki se ngan chang ai tai ipiam da se nom chu paten you come to the point
okay
kap ting kap tang se da se nom chu se ta
yang Mexico leno Mexico maybe atam zone fans dang honna ama khu talented god gifted players here ativian tula chu Messi Ronaldo hi na comparison so Ronaldo ko hard work hi hiji Messi god gifted talent hi ati chu hi nang man pi maidan an ipin se ki mon clarify namkat nense begin.
Yes, very nice question. Miyosi atam yo Messi le Ronaldo ay ngol win kinil lang ay po eh. We must be clear. Ronaldo is a great player. He's a scorer. At the same time, Messi is a great player and he's also a scorer. But the difference is, paten ngay tao chi. Ronaldo he attacker, shooter, goal scorer isu na. Number one. Number two, Messi only shooter, goal scorer. But Messi he schemer isu. What do you mean by schemer? Footballer schemer kititing le back line and the forward line join bola a chain upon to Messi. He can change the match. He can change the game anytime. Amaran sima mi gol kum sa azo thejo. Let's change the ball thejo man. Game to na.
Ama teni
difference to him. Ronaldo to he's waiting from his friends to score. Na. I wanga to mount to he's a very good scorer. He has a heading on hoy, a kick on hoy, amount to football badminton tahin. He has a demding I put. I wanga to a key on to pam till Messi schemer hin, playmaker hin, a man he can change the match. He can change the game anytime. Amaran puyan puya aloho tutungang ji muso kay tawsula. Akum sa ale victory chung do machuna. That changing the game. It to change game changer so much. It to I know him Ronaldo to I know ya to World Cup to match so to change the ball do ya defeat chango hin. Messi chun change the ball thin and semen ma khum khal khal changai point aloho an pin aloho na khum no le victory to mai. Ahin la anya he great player hin difference is Messi to playmaker he's a schemer. He can connect. He's the connector between forward line and the back line. Whereas Ronaldo channel he's waiting for his friends to score. Amount to minutes ahe. Goal from team he na. He only a difference on to Messi chun game sunga to quality ni he schemer. Playmaker to scorer he ahin la atelen hanju Ronaldo to only scorer. To difference he.
God gifted talent ahi na Messi he kapai hard work Ronaldo hard work ati pau he tamhat ne asip
game kiti hi physical exercise hat nga hin God gifted hi yong la ai mun mudje nga hi le ikip chungda physical fitness am lo ai le koi macha chu talented hi yong la I macha bol ro thelo ye na to hard work kiti chu apo nami usin talent nei so ke hin Ronaldo talented nei ai chan ko pha chuna
yes
ya chu ama advantage nei chu a height asangin atha ha anin heading chance ni ti chu hin na among talented na hin Messi ong talented ni football ki ti chu physical fitness am lo ai le ko machan ni macha bol thi lo hin hi chu talented ni hard work he ti chu ong po in he chu heading to both are talented and both are hard workers.
Cicu kata saya answer na midang kon kadin talented hin talent saya bang aso talented ya inun ay mun mule iti talented ham talent so iti so ham na they are both hard working players saya ya so isang ang day hon hin man saya bang aso amata ni difference Messi is playmaker plus goal scorer Ronaldo so yes his goal scorer na so tanama so aching na so but not all the time na 100% la so maybe 30% 40% na playmaker hit na hi wanga so tamdo ma goal scorer hin na Messi wan so he great na so tin
Can change the game.
yeah
He's a great game changer. He's a skipper.
yeah
Skimmer connector between the forward line and the back line.
ke pa me
Cost na ilo no. Referee ka tong leng ko kini.
Tia si Hon. Kai ka kung ay tingo.
Ay, ball, stop the ball. Stop the ball. Lang hong win lang ball stop win lang. Abunin ni na ay tayo. Ball pe dismin ni lolo chu buno ngom mai kyo.
Tia si Hon. Ronaldo wang he ai lo le. Messi wang he ti. Wangin gol la kum thiam. Ei ga don pun hano.
Wang kiti hi om nan hi ong le. Itip lo le wang om lo he. School ball lo le. School ball thina chance ni lo le goal thi lo hi. Ya chu wang kiti ong hi wang hi hu ya ma mi ti le. Ei ma hard work chu ta le ei ma effort nung ya chu wang chun in ki thu pe bu ben. Ei ma chu ki la hi pe han lang center pan ki ve jeng la hoi lang wang chun u chu ko khum dam. Si ya chu wang kiti ei ma effort chu atai na chan ya pe ding le wang chun blessing in pe bu we. Ja chu wang a ki ti pe te poi.
ke si num che le wang chu lap he yin na atim pe ase de e ho a de na wang he e ho hold on to de na he there is no luck this is blessing kiti hai na blessing kala
Penalty ki pe yong chu goal song ki pe out ngi na ki pe do lo hoi langa wangum do. Asungai pe do tin wangum he. Itip lo wala chun wang in follow ball lo e ti che de.
hard work hi po wa le chun blessing ki bu hian hi si pa chu e hon wang ai se pa chu blessing lo hin te ke gel da na hin na
Abana la. David. Na do nom kuim na la yam. Football chung changa kinil ni ro chu chu pateta mi na hel diu chu. Mi to kina ngai lo. Ronaldo chu great player chu. Mo thu lo chu me. Messi ong chu amani khang ya ki chai le ko ma long football ve ta hi ve ta. To star amani ta longa na sa ding compete tung ki ball tu ding ta lo chu. Tu chung chu last ta chu. Ya chu ya chu ke diu mi tong kina ngai lo ama ho abol ti na ja chung chung ma hi. Ti pa chu quality ni khat hin quality khat nei ni khat hi ti pa chu ise
question khat ka dong lo men na to hi who is the real god nga se dinga chu Messi hi to hi football level compete kit ha ta aje chu asam ninga lom zo si individual han na international la yong le asam ninga lom zo si most prestigious award to si an kisan has done to hi nang ma ngai da na hi who hit the real god hitam greatest of all time ever including Pele, Maradona, John Cruyff, na adang lang ya Messi, Ronaldo ya na nang ma gel da na ye nang Maradona thang lai tham khat na na bet khamai te hin na Pele wang su ka he hin nang ma ngai da khat hin se pi go
football chu ma na ki ja khalo amin thang Pele le Maradona no pha jo lo 7 Ballon d'Or san ta koi 7 Ballon d'Or sang um ma na ka san Ajung chu na chu achai na World Cup asang pen asan ki na FIFA Golden Ball best player long ni via sanai ta na ya chu continuous jiluk chu 2014 na chu best player san hin ta le 2022 best player san ki hin FIFA best player long ni san hin Ballon d'Or 7 times tu ang Ballon d'Or hi asan ti te ding am
yes confirm
greatest of all time in football situation Lionel Messi no one can beat his title next generation
so et balender ya loading he na te ya na wan confirm it ai ka te ji chu world cup ala he na world cup chu pi pen he ada UCL he nang chan adang nang ko pa he nang nang sanga se so kit to he ama ho Lionel Messi he nase banga se football level compete he ta ya greatest of all time he ken ka pomama he is ama ka ha he greatest of all time player he ompoi umong ta ponte ti ka jele na
di sa ti
ai le admin pu khat question ka ga do mane mo khabe